right, please look up on the screen. You should have all gotten a hard copy of this. If you did not get one, tell me. I will print them out. This is the second and last assignment you're going to get, official assignment in the PHP class. Notice, it's due right before Thanksgiving. And if you say, well, that's really bad, you're really screwing up our Thanksgiving, then turn it in as close to Thanksgiving as you can. But please don't spend your Thanksgiving working on it. So, using the Joe's program from assignment 1 and the example that we had in the class as a starting point, when you click the submit button and there are no validation errors, bring up an additional PHP page. You will create this. Call it bill.php or something like that, where you are going to actually create a bill for Joe's using PHP based on what the customer has chosen. Does that make sense? I decided to hold off on sessions till next semester. We just always run out of time. There's way too much class for the amount of time there is. All right. As there is only one problem and part of it's already done and you have a template for the other part, all right, I expect you to do the following. Set up a folder structure similar to the way I've been showing you. In other words, have a CSS folder. If you are going to use any JavaScript, have a JS folder. If you want like a source folder or something for your PHP, create a CSS file or refine the one that you did last time. I want this to look like a real bill. I mean, there are plenty of examples out there if you want an example of an invoice. Just go out and look on Google Images or whatever. All right. Implement the clear button. Mike asked me before, can we do this by just putting in a line of JavaScript? Yes, you can. And if you've had no experience with JavaScript and you don't know what it is, send me an email and I'll give you the line of JavaScript. All right. So, again, as it said, this is today, so we will begin going over the PHP MySQL portion. We're going to continue with this on Thursday. Does the assignment make sense? What I'm asking you to do makes sense? You got a question? You can if you want to, but since we had not gone over them, if you find it easier to use session variables, yes, you can. But since I did not go over them, I didn't think it was fair to put them into the assignment. They would make this assignment easier if you use them, but that would also necessitate you reading that part that I did lecture on, but I didn't go over in a lot of detail. All right? So that's why if you want to use sessions, by all means, go ahead and do so. And if you don't, by all means, then don't. All right? Good question. Any other questions? All right, that is it.